not a fan of manner, thinking that they're big and badder. This ain't a game of no snakes and ladders. Sometimes I sit back and think, does this even matter? In my head I'll be thinking that I can hear the laughter. If I pay with cash, then it's a receipt that I'll be after. It's all a conspiracy, a little like Margaret Thatcher. They're looking for some souls to capture. Bang, explosion, boom, disaster. Me, I stand firm like a rock when I'm moving faster. Every MC likes to start with yo, but not every MC has a heart of gold. I've been on this since before Snow Patrol. New Year's Day, I was good to go. I had to sit there and learn the flow. Even as a kid, I was earning dough. A whole lot of yeah, with a little bit of no. We even say no to the stop, search and go. Cause my cousin's got the call, show cozy in the coat. Ever you a trap, we switch a little flow to the Uzi. Look at the Uzi. And dip the toe, just dip the toe. I might dip real quick then go. You make me go sick, so bitch just go. I'm in my own zone like I'm living my own. They spend all day just looking at the phone. And that I'm not a fan of. They call me Kavanagh, not Coco Kavanagh. No, I'm not a fan of manner, not using the manners in a manner. No snakes and ladders, or even my father, but you'll see me at the top of the ladder. It's a certified banger. No, I'm not a fan of manner, blasting out banana rama. I'll be watching Futurama, maybe make a droopy drama. I don't even wear pyjamas, I won't be your baby father, cause I don't want no baby drama. No dead body when they caught Osama. No, I've never fought a farmer. Who the fuck's the Dalai Lama? Does he even own a llama? You can meet me down at Sharma. Bang explosion, boom departure. I said bang explosion, boom departure. Boom departure, boom departure. Bang explosion, boom departure. I like staring out at the stars at night. Early mornings, all I do is just write. I can't wait till the day I take flight so I can see an A-class in sight. When we do a drive-by, no shooting when I mean that we're cruising by. No, you can't have trust if it's built on lies. I know that I've said this so many times. When I close my eyes, I can see the darkness just come to light. Dreams are reality that come to life. Rap or grime, I just can't decide. People say there's more than meets the eye. I'm that guy that'll treat you right. People wanna enter, then leave my life. I'm fine on my own, I don't need a wife. But if you wanna come and see me tonight, then come to my house with a piece of pie. If a dreamer dreams a dream, what's he dreaming like? If a believer believes the news, then he believes the lie. And if you listen to this CD and don't feel the vibe, then I'll draw for the wooden gun like one of them other guys. All my books are just full of rhymes, so pass me the spoon and that muller rice. No, I'm not a fan of manner, trying to correct and point out my grammar. When I'm in my manner, writing up lines like Bugs and Malone, I was facing time, scratching my head, just waiting in line. Underlay, it's overlay time. I could say a million words in a night, a million. I wanna sell a million mixtapes a million times, a lot of millions. I wanna be a guy with a million rhymes. Yeah, fuck it.